Welcome to Cromos Pharma. We are a company that was created to make clinical development as simple as possible. We understand that in clinical research, time is money, and money is saved through robust patient recruitment. Cromos Pharma simplifies and optimizes medical research by bringing clinical trials to vast patient populations. We unequivocally stand by our slogan, "We are where the patients are." We do make clinical development simple, but without oversimplifying. The use of our innovative virtual workplace model, constant attention to staff development and team building helps us maintain the highest quality and ethical standards of trial conduct and patient care. Cromos Pharma is a U.S. registered company with 2 business development offices in North America. We are a premier regional CRO with offices in Russia, Ukraine, Georgia. We have also home-based staff in Baltic countries. Through our virtual office model and using carefully pre-selected local staff, we also cover other Central and Eastern European countries. We provide a full range of services to pharmaceutical companies. These include clinical trial monitoring, regulatory submissions, local project management, clinical trial material management, quality assurance services, comparator drug procurement. Since our inception in 2004, Cromos Pharma has been conducting clinical trials across many therapeutic areas. Because of our relentless focus on quality, we've been growing steadily over the last 10 years and have built many successful relationships with pharmaceutical, biotechnology, medical device, and CRO companies, and currently provide clinical trial support for 7 of the top 20 pharmaceutical companies. What differentiates us from the competition? Cromos Pharma has adopted a fully integrated virtual workplace model. Our cloud-based solution comes from Microsoft and has the highest reliability scores in the industry. Implementation of the virtual workplace model has allowed for seamless integration of all Cromos Pharma's offices. Virtual offices and employees significantly increased the company's productivity and reduced its overhead. One of the biggest challenges of a clinical trial is to find the appropriate clinical trial sites. This is where Cromos Pharma's dynamic site select database of all accredited clinical sites in the region can save the sponsor both time and resources. It provides comprehensive information about sites' technical capabilities, average recruitment timelines, competing trials, and regulatory findings. It is a great tool for rapid and accurate pre-feasibility screening and identification of appropriate countries and clinical sites. Our recipe for success is our excellent clinical research team that consists of medical doctors with at least 5 years of industry-related experience and at least 3 years of research experience. They are universally fluent in English and have an in-depth knowledge of the local medical community and medical standards. Our team members are exceptionally well-trained, highly motivated, and have a unique expertise on how to successfully manage local clinical trials. The combination of their training and experience enables us to handle the most complex clinical protocols. How does working with Cromos Pharma compare to working with a global CRO? Our operational structure has fewer management levels, which translates into operating at a higher efficiency. Our lower overhead costs translate into significant savings to our clients. Our personnel turnover rate is under 3% per annum, which reflects stability and good working relations between our management and our employees. But most importantly, it means that we don't need to look for a replacement CRA during a study. We understand the cost of a clinical trial, and our finance department works closely with the clinical group to prepare a risk-based monitoring program, quality, and financial plan to minimize the cost for our customer. And last but not least, let us introduce our management team. It is comprised of young and dedicated professionals who make sure that every clinical program is executed at the highest professional level. Each one of them has unique qualities and capabilities that complement the other team members. Cromos Pharma invites you to explore the most compelling region for biopharmaceutical research. We are where the patients are.